Introducing the LS24970 spill-free funnel. The lid keeps the funnel clean and also contains all the caps and adapters. Now with individual colored adapters for easy identification. Includes a new cap for Audi and Volkswagen vehicles. It may also work on some Mercedes and Porsche vehicles. The clear funnel allows you a quick visual check from across the shop. The kit includes 5 caps and adapters to fit many vehicles. The straight extension and two 45-degree elbows can be combined to work in any hard-to-reach application. The secure fit of the funnel allows for hands-free filling of the radiator and surge tanks. To use the funnel, insert the correct adapter and cap on the radiator. Place the funnel into the adapter and add the coolant. With the engine running, trapped air can escape through the funnel with no mess, eliminating erratic cooling system and heater performance. Squeeze the radiator hose and insert the stopper. Transfer any remaining fluid to a container or overflow reservoir. The LS24970 spill-free funnel.